Okro is a vegetable that takes 85 to 90 days to mature, and the planting distance that we use today is 90 by 45. So the expectation is that early month of or at the third week of December we should start harvesting the okra.
Yeah, this is the variety we are going to plant as on term. Yes, you see if this seed will do. Please subscribe to the channel and follow us through and see how best this farm is going to turn up. Follow our channel so that we will give you this information all together.
Okra is a vegetable that matures very early. It takes 85 to maximum 90 days for you to start harvesting your okra. Yes. So for today like this, we are using a planting distance of 90 by 45, simply because okra is a cover crop. So if it is growing, the leaves will spread. So the okra need enough space so that at least it can spread very well, and also enough air should penetrate inside. Uh-huh. So in a month after germination, we have to spray with insecticides, and we have to use either a master or force to control the insects. And sometimes we try to incorporate the liquid fertilizer with the insecticides so that we can also boost the leaves of the okra at the early stage. So here we are going to apply fertilizer at two stages. The first month we apply fertilizer, and then the second month we will apply fertilizer as a top up fertilizer.
Oh, okay. All right. So, in all, if we understand you, in 2 or 3 months time, this farm should be ready for harvest.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
It will be ready for harvesting.
So, is it lucrative if you look at okra farming? For your own experience, do you think okra farming is lucrative? If anybody is interested to venture into this type of farming, will it benefit the person?
Yeah, I will say it again. Okra farming, or in other words, vegetables farming is very lucrative. The only thing is that you have to do it in the dry season. That's what we call them dry season farming. Because in this case, you are going to irrigate yourself. You are not going to depend on rain fed. So you have to make sure that you get your irrigation materials ready for you to irrigate your farm. So in this case, as you are doing the okra, as I said, early December or early January, you start harvesting. At that stage, okra in the market will be very scarce. So sometimes you can go to the market, they will sell 3 fingers for you, sometimes 2 CD or even 5 CD. So at this stage, when you do your okra in the dry season like this, you are very assured that definitely you get market for it. There are times even a lot of people out there will request for abundance of okra, but you may not be able to supply them enough. So that is why we always advise our farmers that when you want to go into vegetable farming, at least you should do as much as 1 acre. So that at least you know that at the end of the day, the apple there will be enough for you. Because you are investing money into it. Don't forget that the cost of buying your fertilizer, your insecticides, even the people who are even doing the sowing for you and other things too, and even harvesting too involves a lot of labor. Because in every 3 days you have to harvest your okra.
Okay.
Because when you don't harvest one thing is that the okra will mature and then you cannot harvest. And this one that we are even planting now is a hybrid variety. And the hybrid meaning you cannot replant again. Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. So, in case somebody is watching us now and is interested to even contact you for consultation, uh, what numbers or contact information can you give us so that the people will contact you directly so that they'll be able to you have a consultation with them?
Okay, so if you want to liaise with me in terms of technical advice, you can reach me on 020-880-7091 or 0249-301751.
I hope the consultation will not be free.
Oh, at least you something, some motivation, something.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, okay,
So,
okay. So
uh-huh.
there we have it. There we have it in your short. This is our technical officer. Please, your name again
My name
before.
is Samuel.
Okay, okay. That is Samuel. He's our technical officer on the farm here. With all the advice that will be going on this farm, he will be providing us all the advice. And watch out and see how this farm will turn up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that any information that will be putting up here, you will be able to see it. Thank you very much.
So this one.
Today the planting has been done. It's an acre farm of okra. We've decided to plant it today. So from now to about 60 days time, it will be ready. So subscribe and be watching out for us to see how this simple farm will be going. Here we have some two technical officers who will have a little talk with us. Let's interview them and see what they have to say about farming. Introduce yourself. And this is my technical officer. He's on the food. We just finished planting. He will be briefing us about a little bit information about okro. So, Sinoman, over to you. Let's hear from you.
Okro is a vegetable that takes 85 to 90 days to mature. And the planting distance that we use today is 90 by 45. So the expectation is that early month of or at the third week of December, we should start harvesting the okra.
Okay.